Forex, the nature of the game, man. Happens to the best of us. Happens to Forex as a China.
I find this with you.
Yeah. Forex as a China, fun. Fundamentals no more. No, don't hate fundamentals. Why are you hating fundamentals? This is Forex. Take a Forex.
It's life.
Yo, now Benz made money. Young Emma made money. Me, I was humbled. And me, I was operated here.
And I took
that
an
happens.
entry live on the. Let me show you. Ash. Look what I did for CPI today. I gave them a live voice. Like I even took trades live.
Do trades live? Is it the same ones you're holding now?
Yeah.
Our Benz killed it, yo.
Yeah,
Shout out to Ben. I'm a bandita, guys.
Never vibes.
Bayanda. You guys better go follow right now. Go follow my boy Bayanda right there. Mandela chopped it. He looks.
Nice things on currencies, yo.
He looks hurt. I'm hurt, obvious. I just blown up. What do you mean? You think it's nice losing money? Me, I blew my life. I blew an account. I grew that account from 5,000. You guys fucking understand? 5,000, mother Forex. Forex is too much. What happened in the market? So if I had a sell there, easy 2 million. But it's fine. I took a loss to make a bigger profit. 200 to 5K. Leadership, I blew it. I promised my mother to put bread on the table. But that was sharp and fun. I also blew my bro. So Safela Moya. You know, it's not the end of the world. You know, are you the best? You don't recover the two. No, recover for sure. 300K is for
Hey, but we made money. Hey, this is
Emo, LA trading. My brother Emo killed a G. Bro, I should have went in the GP.
to 0.
Don't quit. Yeah, you lost at 300K. When I funded 5,000, I started that account on Friday last week. I had NFP, 45K. During the week, I said Nasdaq, 300. Yo, then I said CPI.
Why didn't you take my signal? Hey, I'm gonna kill this. I'm gonna that UP USP.
I mad at it. Yo, I'm gonna kill it. Remember,
I'm testifying because I was also looking at currencies.
I remember it's like casino. Once you turn the cash into chips, you need to cut your emotions. I don't know. Forex is a casino, bro. Our chance are more casino is nothing. No, you're wrong. 300K to 1.4 with the sell move. You killed him, man. Well done to you, man. Hey, we got a lot of winners today. Yeah. CPI. Go by me. Come on, CPI, go by me. See, guys, I'm drinking water. Yeah. CPI. I'll post my results after this. I'll post what's happened properly. What happened actually? What happened? Like it was a matter of Forex. I'm still in shock. Our Forex can kill you a real death, I'm telling you.
Thank you so much.
I'm in sales. I know you made money if you're in sales. You don't hide your losses.
Look at us, guys. Blue screen.
Blue screen. Blue.
Something new.
Yeah, I know. Yo, bro, you know this is like, when last I lost an event, like a news event.
You know what?
Yo, bro, like over a year or two.
Yeah.
I don't remember losing a news event. Last year I fucked up all the NFP CPIs the whole year, bro.
Even now you've been consistent.
This is my first news event, like lost probably, I don't know. Yo, I messed up, but it's fine. Get January, it's preparing me.
Use the suspects down and up.
Yesterday he down and up.
Yeah, bro.
Yo, Yeah, yo, that 1 hour candle. That one I'm telling you, yo. I know. Yo, that one was too much.
Me, I was recording.
Yo. But anyway, guys, I just need to go drink water. I'm gonna fund again. I don't have a chance but to fund again and give it another shot. You know, this is my life. We're all traders. This is how we live. You take a loss, you dust yourself, and gain a foot empty. Yo, I want you, fun. For the fact that I was so confident, remember when I took those entries, I was confident with I knew I was fun. But remember I did say it, bro. Yeah, I'm like, this shit is too high. I'm like, this thing is too high, bro. It's too high. It has to go down. Like, I just felt like it was just too high.
You did say it.
Yo. I'm not okay. Deep down. Mara kuyolunga. Kuzokube right. Sizama ngelinye ilanga. But I'm bringing back that shit. Well, let's blame it on no cheating and pit bulls. I blame the pit bull. Yeah. No more CPI for me. No, my brother. It doesn't work like that. Always trade CPI, man. It pays way more than NFP. You know, it doesn't mean because you didn't catch the direction. CPI has a lot of money, man. You know, I literally flipped. I took that account that I blew from 5,000 to almost 500,000 in a space of 4 days. So, although you took a loss, it's dope that you're okay. I'm not okay, Chief. I'm not okay. I think what I need now is just jump into my car. I could with a slash, I'm fine. Yeah. Open the slash, get in the freeway, drive 140, cruise, blast music, and just hit my man. Yeah. Just hear myself. Yo. Where's Kelly? I hope Kelly didn't catch that buy like me. I hope Kelly sold. You probably caught it. Yo. I'm gonna made 100K. At least the CPI news came in exact number that was anticipated. Yo, that's crazy. The actual forecast, the actual prediction. Yo. At least I'll cry in an M4. I'm just joking, guys. Let me not regroup my brother. I'm always one motivating. Now they're motivating me. Or regroup. Don't miss me. I was like, regroup my brother. Youth is now motivating you. Even the leaders, sometimes they need leadership. I will try again because I'm a footy sasa. I'm a fund. I think I'm a fund like 5K. Push them crazy. Bandita said he doesn't trade. But okay, when I had the Bandita. And are you the owner of events? We killed this side. Shout out to you. Someone is lecturing me on the life. Marlona leadership, you agree. Why didn't you withdraw? I am sorry, okay.
No risk, no reward. You're trying to maximize.
Yeah, I was trying to maximize, man. Like, I was trying to maximize. That's all I wanted to do. Ain't shabby, my previous two stories, my second last story, I was so confident with that. But I knew what this thing, it can show me flames. That's when you walk with some man. I was like, oh.
And you said it, you're like, I just think that
yeah, it was too high, bro. Like, when I looked at Nasdaq, I'm like, nah, it's too high. It has to go down. But then something just said, I said, don't worry, bro. It was a minor setback for a major comeback. One thing I like about you guys, they motivate me. Are we out?
Yeah, we're out.
I go to the car. How much did I blow? 300 fucking blow, Joe. I blew a fucking Golf 7R. No. Having 27, I should have just went to buy a Golf 7. I got a regular Golf 7 that was better. Hi, for real. Like, I'm giving no Golf 7. I I lost $160 at least in face your bets. I lost 300 blog. I am not okay, but guys, nigga got a Ferrari next week. What's going to I'm going to get 20 Ferrari. Fine. If I flip that one from 300 to 2, but I did with that drop, I would have kept it easy 3 million.
It was with the reward.
I was going to keep it Ferrari. Fine. I will keep it Ferrari. More January. Now I'm January with everyone. See, I January. I need to learn Ferrari more. I need to learn Ferrari more. Yo, that candle was crazy, yo. Yo, bro, your car's fresh. Yo, Zlatan. Ay.
What? What? Oh, you're selling
Listen, but I'm sure it's just a technical issue. Just get if you could get a who's that electrician guy? 6-inch. I'm sure you can make it open. And now you're easily leap, yo. Yeah, chowing the leap. Anyway, in Shapile Marana Flobo. Lots of M4 ya. Just a like M4 ashi. Go no tata zagela 300 ka 400 tengo gara M4 yang once. Hai in Shabile mar at least ke tsana gara M4 ya. It's not a, you know, sometimes we all lose different. We all lose. But we lose different. Your loss and mine, they're not the same. We lose, but we lose different, yeah. Looks different. Tana ngara sasa matente saga. Kigedile. Yo,
what's happening?
Hey, maranga panda. Hey, yeah, I was eating. King Figo, I'm not okay. Hey, CPI should be flames.
That's my extension, yo.
Oh. You can have your extension. I am not okay.
The leather seats in the import on hot, they're cold. That's how fast it is.
I ain't gonna fit. I don't recommend to I got it. He can't negotiate.
No room for negotiation.
No. I know.
Remember we fixed my car.
Yeah, shit. I know. Anyway. Shout out to everybody that made money. Trading with the best broker, of course, RCG. Those that took a loss like me, it's part of trading. Let's regroup, like somebody said in the live. Let's recover, rebuild, go back to drawing board, and we give it another. So Zama for success. Another day. Nice. What's it, dog?
We'll try again.
We'll try again. Ah, that was a crazy loss. I just took from that account from 5K to 300,000. Mara pila. I didn't lose. I just lost 5,000.
Yeah.
Hey, Mara, no.
It was with the risk, though.
Anyway, guys, I'm out.